everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you genius loft bed kids bedroom design and tips to transform small spaces into big dreams with loft beds for kids. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As design professionals, we know firsthand the challenges of maximizing small spaces, especially when creating functional, fun environments for children. That's where the mighty loft bed enters the scene. No longer relegated to college dorms, loft beds have evolved into stylish, space-saving solutions that ignite a child's imagination and transform bedrooms into personal kingdoms. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of loft beds, exploring their advantages, navigating material choices, and uncovering clever decorating and arrangement strategies. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your child's room and create a space that's as unique and exciting as they are. Let's face it, kids are boundless energy in miniature form. They need space to play, dream, and grow, and sometimes, a traditional bed simply eats up precious real estate. This is where loft beds come in, offering a wealth of benefits such as: first, maximize space. By elevating the sleeping area, a loft bed instantly frees up valuable floor space for play, study, or storage. This is particularly advantageous in compact rooms. Second, boost imagination. Loft beds transform bedrooms into miniature fortresses, pirate ships, or cozy castles, igniting a child's creativity and sense of adventure. Third, multifunctionality. Many loft beds integrate storage units, desks, or play areas underneath, creating a truly versatile space that grows with your child. Fourth, improved organization. Define zones for sleeping, playing, and studying, foster better organization and encourage tidy habits. Fifth, safety benefits. Modern loft beds prioritize safety with secure railings and sturdy construction, providing parents with peace of mind. With a plethora of materials available, selecting the right one for your child's loft bed is crucial. Here's a breakdown of popular options. First, solid wood, the gold standard for durability and timeless appeal. Solid wood offers exceptional strength and stability. Second, metal, lightweight and sleek. Metal frames are a space-conscious choice and work well in modern or industrial settings. Third, MDF/plywood. These engineered wood options offer affordability and versatility, allowing for painted finishes and custom designs. Remember, prioritize safety by choosing a bed with sturdy construction, secure railings, and appropriate height for your child's age and agility. Now, let's make your child's loft bed more than just a sleeping space. Embrace the vertical potential and turn it into a personalized haven. 1. Themed dreamscapes. Transform the space beneath the loft into a pirate cove, a fairy princess bower, or a cozy astronaut's retreat with bedding, lighting, and accessories that match the chosen theme. 2. Cozy nooks. String fairy lights or drape fabric to create a reading nook or play area underneath the loft, adding comfort and intimacy. 3. Storage solutions. Utilize the walls with shelves, baskets, or pegboards to keep toys, books, and treasures organized and easily accessible. 4. Creative lighting. Opt for playful pendant lights or install LED strips to create a magical aura and personalize the space. 5. Color play. Don't shy away from color. Use paint, wall decals, or colorful textiles to accentuate the sleeping area or create thematic zones. Positioning your loft bed strategically is key to maximizing space and functionality. First, consider traffic flow. Ensure free movement around the bed, especially if the latter is part of the design. Second, light and air. Place the bed near a window for natural light and ventilation. Third, playful zones. Dedicate the freed-up floor space to play areas, desks, or reading nooks, creating defined zones for different activities. Fourth, storage integration. If your loft bed has built-in storage, position it conveniently for your child's needs. Fifth, safety first. Remember to leave enough clearance around the bed and ladder for safe movement. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 genius loft bed ideas to inspire you. 1. The playful playhouse. Build a miniature house complete with windows, doors, and a slide beneath the loft for endless imaginative play. 2. The cozy canopy. Drape soft fabric around the loft to create a dreamy canopy bed, perfect for reading. 3. The bookworm's burrow. Transform the space underneath into a dedicated reading nook with comfy cushions, bookshelves, and warm lighting. 4. The climbing cave. For adventurous spirits, incorporate a climbing wall or rope ladder alongside the stairs, adding a physical challenge to bedtime routines. 5. The artist's atelier. Set up a small art station beneath the loft with an easel, chalkboard, and colorful supplies to unleash creative energy. 6. The secret hideaway. Build hidden compartments or cubbies underneath the bed for storing precious treasures and fostering a sense of mystery. 7. The bunk bed bonanza. Double the fun with a bunk bed loft that accommodates sleepovers or siblings sharing a room. 8. The cozy campout. Bring the outdoors in with a tent suspended around the loft, creating a whimsical camping retreat for stargazing and adventure stories. (9) The study zone sanctuary. Optimize space by incorporating a desk and storage units underneath the loft, dedicated to homework and projects. 10. The upcycled adventure. Repurpose old furniture or pallets into unique loft bed frames, adding a personal touch and eco-friendly flair. Loft beds are more than just sleep solutions. They are gateways to limitless imagination and personalized havens for your child. By carefully choosing materials, embracing creative decoration, and arranging the space for optimal flow, you can transform a room into a wonderland that reflects your child's unique personality and fosters their growth. So, climb aboard the loft bed revolution and watch your child's dreams take flight. Want more inspiring design ideas for kids' rooms? Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for tutorials, room reveals, and expert tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for a weekly dose of design magic. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of genius loft bed kids bedroom design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.